stream, don't miss our latest IT demo quiz and get your exclusive offer for all hot IT products. I'm Claire from SPOTO, your IT supporter. Ready to learn more about AWS, Microsoft, CompTIA, and Palo Alto? Follow me in today's webinar. Don't miss your chance to pass your IT Certs exam in first attempt. We focus on IT for 23 years. We can give you best guidance during your preparation. Don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and in YouTube for more updates. So in today's live stream, we focus on field of cloud and cybersecurity. Let's see what certifications are most in demand in 2026. And what's more, we have exclusive offer in today's live stream. Ready to get your IT certification in 2026. Stay tuned and you will know. So in this lecture, I'll walk you through top 5 of the hottest IT certifications in 2026. Follow me and we'll do practice tests together. This is a good opportunity to let you better know about the exam and pass it on the first try. And before beginning, I would like to know which IT certification you want to get in coming new months. Please comment and share your dream IT certifications. Oh, I see someone wants to get Microsoft and the AWS certification. Great, go for it. It sounds good. Like in the field of cybersecurity, IT certifications serve as a professional fast track to validate your expertise. Cybersecurity certifications act as a benchmark for your technical skills and knowledge. They provide credibility to employers by providing you understand industry standards and can handle real-world threats. First of all, let's look at CompTIA Security Plus certification. CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level security certification that validates the core skills needed in a cybersecurity role. With this certification, demonstrate your ability to assess the security of an organization, monitor and secure cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environments, and understand laws and regulations related to risk and compliance, and identify and respond to security incidents. Earning your Security Plus certification can help you in roles such as System Administrator, that is $89,000. Second, Help Desk Manager, $98,000. Third, Security Engineer, that is $157,000. And Cloud Engineer, $116,000. Security Administrator, $112,000. And IT Auditor, $89,000. Software Developer, $100,000. And now, let's do a practice test together to assess your knowledge and skill. I'll show you correct answers and explanation to help you understand the questions well. For winners who answer all the 5 questions, you will get an extra bonus. Wow, it's so amazing. Can't wait to see it. Let's move to the quiz part. Now let's come to the question 1. Peter, the compliance manager, wants to meet regulations. Peter would like certain ports plugged only on all computers that do credit card transactions. Which of the following should Peter implement to best achieve this goal? A. A host-based intrusion prevention system. B. A host-based firewall. C. Antivirus update system. And D. A network-based intrusion detection system. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay, the correct answer is B. Please check explanation in the right part. Next one. Which of the following risks could IT management be mitigating by removing an all-in-one device? A. Continuity of operations. B. Input validation. C. Single point of failure. And D. Single sign-on. Okay, the correct answer is C. Single point of failure. And please check the explanation in the right part. Next one, question 3. A company wants to ensure that all aspects of data are protected when sending to other sites within the enterprise. Which of the following would ensure some type of encryption is performed while data is in transit? And please tell me your answer and leave your answer in your comment zone. You have 30 seconds to answer yet. Go for it. The correct answer is C. TPM. Did you get the right answer? Okay, congratulations. Next one. Peter, an employee, is taking a taxi through a busy city and starts to receive unsolicited files sent to his smartphone. Which of the following is this an example of? A. Vishing. B. Bluejacking. C. Word driving. D. SPIM. And E. Blue snarfing. The correct answer is B. Bluejacking. Please check the explanation in the right part. Do you get the right answer? Okay, please leave your comments. Okay, you finish? Next one. Which of the following is a notification that an unusual condition exists and should be investigated? A. Alert. B. Trained. C. Alarm. And D. Trap. Okay, I see many of you type your answer in the comment zone, right? Now let us reveal the answer. The correct answer is A. Alert. And please check explanation in the right part. You have 5 seconds. Alright, We have done all the 5 questions. Are ready for the exam? If someone answered 5 questions correctly, please contact the admin to get bonus. Thank you. So, for today's live stream cell owning, you can get SYO 701 done for just $170. That's a massive discount for today. This is the best price. Don't just watch. Grab it now. The link is waiting for you in the chat. And our service features 100% real exam practice tests, 100% latest updated, excellent and professional tutor teams, free update of practice tests, and average 8 days to practice and pass. The prices are lower than usual. Order now or you will miss. But how to order? Let me show you. So we have 3 steps. First, you register in our website, then you order on it, and the last step is to pay. You can pay through your PayPal or credit card and debit card. And next, let's move on to the Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall Engineer certification. The NGFW demonstrated hands-on skills in core security functions like threat prevention, URL filtering, decryption, and network segmentation, as well as troubleshooting and day-to-day file operations. The certification is highly regarded for role specializing in Palo Alto Networks security solutions. Check the salary for NGFW. And now let's do some practice together to know what will the exam quiz look like. There are 5 questions. So question 1, when deploying Palo Alto Networks and NGFW in the cloud service provider environment, which method ensures high availability across multiple availability zones? A. Deploying Ansible scripts for zone-specific scaling. B. Implementing Terraform templates for redundancy within one availability zone. C. Using load balancer and health props. And D. Configuring active HA. So I'll give you 30 seconds to answer it. Okay, thank you for your answer. Thank you. So now let's check the right answer. The correct answer is C, using a load balancer and health props. And please check the explanation in the right part. Now let's see the question 2. An engineer at a managed service provider is updating an application that allows its customers to request the firewall changes to also manage SD-WAN. The application will be able to make any approved changes directly to devices via API. What is requirement for the application to create SD-WAN interfaces? So we have A, B, C, D choices for you. Please choose the correct answer. You have 30 seconds. Okay, thank you. Now let's see the correct answer. That is A. REST APIs. REST APIs want an internet interface profiles parameter on a panorama device. Do you get the right answer? If no, please check the explanation in the right part. Okay, thank you. Question 3. Without performing a context switch, which set of operations can be performed that will affect the open of a connected firewall on the panorama GUI? A. Restarting the local firewall, running a packet capture, accessing the firewall CLI. B. Modification of local security rules, modification of a layer 3 interface, modification of the firewall device hostname. C. Modification of pre-security rules, modification of a virtual router, modification of an IKE gateway network profile. And D. Modification of host and NAT rules, creation of new views on the local firewall, ACC tab, creation of local custom reports. So what is your answer? Thank you. Now, I'll tell you the correct answer is C. Yes. Did you get the right answer? Okay. Next one. Question 4. Which set of options is available for detailed logs when building a custom report on the Palo Alto Network's NGFW? A. Traffic, user ID, and URT, URL. B. Traffic, threat, data filtering, user ID. C. Global protect, traffic, application statistics. And D. Threat, global protect, application statistics, vault file submissions. Leave your answer in our comment zone. Okay, thank you for your answers. Now let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Traffic, threat, data filtering, and user ID. Did you get the right answer? Okay, next one. Which two statements describe an external zone in the context of virtual systems on the Palo Alto network firewalls? Please choose 2. So A, it is associated with an interface within a VSYS of the firewall. And B, it is a security object associated with a specific virtual router of a VSYS. And C, it is not associated with an interface. It is associated with a VSYS itself. Indeed, it is a security object associated with a specific VSYS. So which one is correct answer? So the correct answer is C and D. It is not associated with an interface. It is associated with a VSYS itself, and it is a security object associated with a specific VSYS. Did you get the right answer? Please check explanation in the right part. Okay, you did a very, very good job. And now we have done all the 5 questions. Are you ready for the exam? If someone answered 5 questions correctly, please contact admin to get bonus. Now some of you may want to get more dumps or like to practice, right? Here we go. We have NGFW dump, stable and valid now. Want to get more certified fast? SPOTO NGFW root dump can help you. The original price is $250. Guess how much discounts can you get today? We've slashed it to $170. This is the best price in this year for today's live stream sale. This offer is limited. Don't miss out the offer. Grab it before it ends. The deals end soon. And what can SPOTO offer you? Here I'm going to explain all the reasons. So firstly, 100% pass verified questions and answers. Secondly, pass with minimum time. Thirdly, 724 professional support. And then most importantly, 21 years of IT training experience. The reasons above are why we are so confident that we can help all candidates if you trust us, and we are also your trust. You may think how to order and how to get our service, right? So I'll show you. We have 3 steps. First, you register on our website, then you can order, click buy now, and enter the code. And third step is to pay through PayPal or debit or credit card. There are 5 easy steps to get certified. Select your certification, pay the fee, connect with us, then practice and pass. Once we receive your payment, you can get access to the learning material within 30 minutes. And notice the exam rules. All you need to do is to practice and pass exam in first try. Next, let's look at the number 3 certification worth investing in 2026. That is Fortinet NSE4 FGT AD 7.6. It is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and configure Fortinet security solutions. Now let's do a test together. So question 1. Which 3 statements about SDWN performance SLAS are true? You can choose 3. And now I'll give you 30 seconds. Thank you for leaving your answers in your comment zone. Now let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A, B, and D. Did you get the right answer? If no, please look at the explanation in the right part. You have 5 seconds. Okay, next one. FortiGate is operating in a native mode and has 2 physical interfaces connected to the LAN and DMZ networks respectively. Which 2 statements about the requirements of connected physical interfaces on FortiGate are true? You can choose 2. Please look at the choices and tell me your answers. Okay, thank you. Finished. Now let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is A and B. Both interfaces must have directly connected routes on a routing table, and both interfaces must have IP addresses assigned. Do you get the right answer? Okay, now please check the explanation in the right part. Yes. Okay, did a very good job. Now let's see the next question. Network administrator have enabled full SSL inspection and a web filtering on FortiGate. When visiting any websites, the browser reports certificates warning errors. When visiting website, what is the reason for the certificate warning errors? A, B, C, or D? Leave your answer in the comment zone, and you have 30 seconds. Now let's review the answer. The correct answer is D. The browser does not trust certificate used by FortiGate for SSL inspection. Yes, next one. A network administrator is revealing firewall's policies in both interface pair view and by sequence view. Policies appear in a different order in each view. Why is the policy order different in those two views? The correct answer is A, B, C, or D. Yes, I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, thank you for your answer. Now let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is A. Interface PI view source policies based on the matching interface. Well, by sequence view shows the actual the process order of rules. Do you get the right answer? Congrats. Okay, now let's see the last one. Question 5. You have created a web filter profile named the restrict media profile with a daily category usage quota. When you are adding the profile to the firewall policy, the restrict media profile is not listed in the available profile dropdown. What could be the reason? A, B, C, or D? Leave your answer in the comment zone. Now let's check the answer together. The correct answer is A. The inspection mode in the firewall policy is not matching with web filter profile feature set. Do you get the right answer? Thank you. So we have done all the 5 questions. Are ready for the exam? If someone answered 5 questions correctly, please contact admin to get bonus. Congrats. In today's sale live, the Fortinet NSE4 FGT-AD 7.6 is on huge sale. You can enjoy a low price in 2026. The original price for the dump is $300, but now it is only $170. you can save $130. Don't miss the best opportunity to save a big in 2026. You can buy now and start whenever you want. We provide 100% valid dumps, 100% real questions and answers, 8 days flexible access, 141 questions, and 7/24 survey support. Please check the link on the comment zone in the live chat section today only. Order now. Now let's move to cloud certifications. Let's look at the number 4 certification worth investing in 2026. That is AWS. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associates, also called as DVA CO2. This credential helps organizations identify and develop talents with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning AWS certificate Certified Solutions Architect Associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. Now let's do a test together. I'll come to the question 1. A developer is deploying AWS Lambda function. The developer wants the ability to return to older versions of the function quickly and seamlessly. How can the developer achieve this goal with the least operational overhead? A, B, C, or D? Please leave your answer in the comment zone, and I'll give you 30 seconds to answer it. Thank you. I see many of you type your answer in the comment zone. Now let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. Use a function allies with different versions. So you get the right answer? Okay, please check the explanation, the right part. I'll give you 5 seconds. Thank you. Question 2. A developer has written an AWS function. The function is CPU bound. The developer wants to ensure that the function returns responses quickly. How can the developer improve the function's performance? A, B, C, or D? Thank you. Now let's review the answer. The correct answer is B. Increase the function's memory. And we have explanation in our right part. Please check it. Alright, now let's come to the third question. For deployment using AWS code deploying, what is the run order of the hooks for in-place development? A, B, C, or D? Tell me your answer in the comment zone, and we will review the answer together. Okay, now let's review us together. The correct answer is B. Application stop, before install, after install, and application start. To get the right answer, If not, please check the explanation in the right part. Okay, very good. Now let's come to the fourth question. The company is offering APIs as a service over the internet to provide unauthenticated read access to statistical information that is updated daily. The company uses Amazon API Gateway and AWS Lambda to develop the APIs. The services have become popular, and the company wants to enhance the responsiveness of the APIs. Which action can help the company achieve this goal? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is A, enable API caching in API Gateway. Please check the explanation in the right part. Here comes the last question. A company is building a scalable data management solution by using AWS service to improve the speed and agility of development. The solution will ingest the large volumes of data from various sources and will process this data through multiple business rules and transformations. The solution requires business rules to run in sequence and to handle reprocessing of data if errors occur when the business rules run. The company needs the solution to be scalable and to require the least possible maintenance. Which AWS service should the company use to manage and automate the orchestration of the data flows to meet these requirements? Please tell me your answer, A, B, C, or D. I'll give you 30 seconds to answer it. Okay, now let's review the answer together. The correct answer is B, AWS step functions. Do you get the right answer? If not, please check the explanation in the right part. Alright, we have done all the 5 questions. Are you ready for the exam? If someone answered 5 questions correctly, congrats, and please contact me to get bonus. Thank you. In today's SPOTO live sale, you can enjoy the best price in 2026. The original price for DVA-CO2 is $250. Today, the dump is only $150. Please check the link on the comment down. Order now. We provide 100% valid dumps, 100% real questions and answers, 8-day flexible access, and 7/24 service support. Please check the link on the comment zone in the live chat section today only, and order now. Move on. I want to introduce Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification gives a professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industry-endorsed evidence of mastering skills in the digital and the cloud businesses. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. Each of these certifications consists of passing a series of exams to earn certification. So the hardest certification is Azure and Microsoft 365. The demand for it is on the rise. In fact, Azure-related job posting increased by 66% from 2020 to 2026. Are you ready to do a test? Okay, now here comes the question 1. You have an on-premises network that contains several servers. You plan to migrate all the servers to Azure. You need to recommend a solution to ensure that some of the servers are available if a single data center goes offline for an extended period. What should you include in the recommendation? Please leave your answer in our comment zone and I'll give you 30 seconds to answer it. The correct answer is A, fault tolerance. To get the right answer? Okay, please look at the explanation in the right part and give you 5 seconds. Next one. What are 2 characteristics of the public cloud? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. And note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. And please tell me your answer in the comment zone. I'll give you 30 seconds. The correct answer is D and E. Do you get the right answers? Yes? Okay, please check the explanation in the right part. Next one. Your company hosts an accounting application named App One that is used by all the customers of the company. App One has low usage during the first 3 weeks of each month and a very high usage during the last week of each month. Which benefit of Azure Cloud Services supports cost management for this type of usage pattern? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is C. Did you get the right answer? If no, please check the explanation in the right part. I'll give you 5 seconds. Next one. You plan to migrate a web application to Azure. The web application is accessed by external users. You need to recommend a cloud deployment solution to minimize the amount of administrative effort used to manage the web application. What should you include in the recommendation? A, B, C, or D? Please tell me your answer in the comment zone and I'll give you 30 seconds. The correct answer is B, platform as service. To get the right answer? If no, Please check the explanation in the right part. Okay, thank you. And here comes the last one. Your developers have created 10 web applications that must be hosted on Azure. You need to determine what Azure web tier plan to host the web apps. The web tier plan must meet the following requirements. First, the web apps will use custom domains, and the web apps each require 10 GB of storage. The web apps must each run in dedicated compute instances. Load balancing between instances must be included, and costs must be minimized. Which web tier plan should you use? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is A, standard. To get the right answer, please check the explanation in the right part. Alright, we have done all the 5 questions. Are you ready for the exam? If someone answered 5 questions correctly, congrats, and please contact admin to get bonus. For each other practice test, the original price is $250. But today, the price of AZ500, AZ104, and AZ900 is $100 each. You can save $150, over 50% off. And we provide exam service for all Microsoft exam. Just paying admin to get more offer. Please check the link on the comment zone. Lower price all ever by now with 100% pass guaranteed. We have 100% valid AZ104 dumps. Only 200 plus real questions and answers. 8-day flexible access, 7/24 service support. Please check the link on the comment zone in the live chat section to enjoy the special offer. And next, let's look at some questions we are asked very often. Like, can I pass the IT exam with Q&As only? The answer is yes. Our exams are as same as the real question, exam question and answers. SPOTO's practice test 100% covered the real exam. If you practice our questions bank, you will pass the exam successfully. How can I know my product is the latest? Actually, all the products are updated fully, and our IT exam practice tests are the latest on remote server. If there is an update on dumps, our service will inform you by email, and the server also will warn you when you practice dump. What is the dump format? The written exam format is VCE. It is similar to real exam format. You can practice the written dumps on remote server. Can I buy now and start the service later? Of course, you can buy now with lowest price and start the service when you need it. Here's our SPOTO exam dump service drawer. First, the written dumps format is VCE. It's similar exam format. Second, we provide 8 days to access written dumps. Third, the written dumps on remote server. Our remote server offers 24/7 access for study and review. Flexible study, you can buy now with lowest price and get started whenever you want. Last but not least, I want to briefly introduce to you about SPOTO, about who we are and what we have been doing, what set us apart from other institutions. With a mission of change the fate by studying, building for a better future, SPOTO was founded in 2003. SPOTO is dedicated to becoming an IT online learning platform worldwide. SPOTO specialized in ID certification and provides sure-shot pass material and practice tests. And the red flag means that they are SPOTO learners pass the exam at the exam center. By April 2026, SPOTO serves in more than 152 countries and regions. We launched over 300 products and helped over 550,000 learners obtain their identifications. And the worthiest showing of things is that over 2,500 plus CCIE holders are from SPOTO. In other words, almost 10% of CCIE holders in the world are SPOTO learners. Our instructors are as passionate about what they do as who they do it for and are committed to your success. They are the most experienced professionals in the IT industry and have spent decades carefully creating our learning material with your training journey in mind. We have helped many learners pass their exam and they were happy to study with us. As you can see the reviews of them in the screen, actions speak louder than the words, right? Trust SPOTO. You can act all at the exam like them easily in first try. Okay, that's all for today's live stream. Thank you for joining us today. If you need any other IT certifications, study material, or more details about our exam service, please join our group. Scan the code here or click on the link in the comment section. If you liked today's lecture, don't forget to give a like to the video. See you next time.